Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link. Hard to believe, but we have some accumulating snow on the way for late tonight, and we have sunny and 60-degree weather on Sunday. Only springtime in New England. Winter weather advisory, which was in effect for the Northwest Rhode Island, Northeast Connecticut, now has been expanded to, and that's the area in purple, to include now all of northern Rhode Island. So that's all of Providence County. It does include Norfolk County, the northern portions of Bristol and Plymouth County, and the high elevations of Worcester County. It's a winter storm warning, and some of the higher elevations out in western Massachusetts. It does not include Kent or Providence County or southern areas. So this is primarily in terms of snow and accumulating snow inland and northern suburbs. Now, if there's any good news in all of this, this is going to be kind of a while you were sleeping kind of a deal. So this is late at night, overnight. I'm thinking some of the heaviest snow, and it'll only be for a few hours, kind of centered around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then the intensity kind of tapering down. We got some small accumulations. I'm going to show you those numbers. They're not blockbuster numbers, but we do have, of all things, some accumulations. I'll look at the high temps today, which cool in the upper 40s to low 50s. We are raw and chilly on Saturday, only 45, if that. And then we're actually sunny and a lot warmer come Sunday. So threat tracker, this evening we're fine. 7, 8, 9 o'clock we're doing okay. Most of this mess is during the overnight. Rain over the wet snow mixture, accumulations to the north. Mostly rain, but there'll be a little bit of snow on the coast. And yes, I did spell coast wrong. I am trying to type so fast, and I'm not checking my spelling, but you get the idea. And then by Saturday afternoon and evening, it's more of a just some light rain and drizzle, raw. I don't really see any issues with additional snow at that time. So a dry evening, that overnight mixture, then the raw and damp conditions coming up on Saturday. So here's what we're tracking on the satellite and radar composite. You can see that moisture now just west of New York City, and this is tracking off to the east. The blue, of course, on the northern fringe of this is snow, and on the southern end, the green is rain, and all of this headed our way during the overnight. So when we take it into the future, the evening is dry, and then here we are, midnight, and you can see the snow to the north. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. This is probably when for a few hours in this darker blue, it's really coming down at a pretty good clip. South of that, the green and yellow, that's rain. And then notice by 8 o'clock in the morning, the bulk of the heavier precipitation is offshore, but we've got lingering light precip, light snow, light rain, kind of a mixture. And then as we get into the afternoon hours, it's just mild enough for this primarily just rain showers and some drizzle. Here we are at noontime. Just not a great day. All right, here's another computer outlook. This is actually a different computer model. We'll show it to you because really both of these computer outputs are pretty much showing the same thing as far as inland areas, northern suburbs getting that blue, the snow, and the coast getting mainly rain. Now we can get in real close here. I'm going to walk you through this hour by hour, starting off at 7 o'clock. 7, 8, 9 o'clock, we're dry, even about 10 o'clock. Notice by midnight it is starting to work in. All that blue, 3, 4 in the morning is snow, even for a short time along the coastline. 8 a.m. Snow, though I do think at this point there'll be some rain mixing in along the coast. And then you start to see more splotches of green by Saturday afternoon. That's more of a light showers, drizzle, raw, chilly, even through 4 o'clock in the afternoon. These little speckles of green are showers and drizzle. Temperatures unseasonably cool. And then later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, skies are actually clearing out. And it sets up for a much nicer Sunday. Even though it's kind of chilly sunrise Sunday morning, we do recover to 60 Sunday afternoon. All right, I'm going to show you two accumulations map. First, the wider one, and this purple area in here, Taunton, Woonsocket, North Smithfield, Cumberland, Foster, Gloucester, Burrowville, Harrisville, North Scituate, Chepachet, Northeast Connecticut, right in here, 2 to 4. To the south of that, and that includes Providence, Metro, Warwick, Cranston, Fall River, most of Kent County, West Warwick, West Greenwich, Coventry, right in here, 1 to 2. And then south of that, generally a coating. And this would be overnight. I'll get a more close-up look at this. The one thing I want to watch very closely is if we end up with the high side, like if we end up with 4 in this purple area, 4 inches in itself isn't in a huge amount of snow, but it's the kind of snow that has a lot of weight. It's like wet cement. So if we end up with 4 inches in this purple zone, you have to watch these tree limbs and power lines as far as, maybe a little sagging. So I'm going to watch, we'll watch that situation closely. 2 inches of wet snow up here, I think the tree limbs can handle, but you start getting in on 4 inches up here, and some of these limbs are going to start to sag. So that's something that we'll watch. And to the south of that, it is as little as 1 to as much as 2, and then coatings as you get even further south, the coastline. So I'm dropping things. All right, overnight, we are cloudy and dry. Now, here we are on Friday morning, early pre-dawn wet snow, and then it does go over to, this is, wow. I was just trying to type things so fast to get this on the air. That is Saturday morning, not Friday morning. But you get the idea. Your Saturday morning has got light snow at 6 a.m., 9 o'clock in the morning, it's a light mixture. 11 o'clock in the morning, it is chilly showers, temperature 39. And again, that's Saturday morning. My bad as my typing skills continue to deteriorate. And here we are Saturday afternoon. Now, it's a raw, chilly day, but by this point, it's mostly light showers and some drizzle, and temperatures only in the mid-40s. Hang tight by Sunday afternoon. Spring is back with plenty of sunshine, and we're looking at temperatures that'll be topping out in the upper 50s to lower 60s. So that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. Check back with me coming up shortly in about 45 minutes. Eyewitness News at 5 o'clock. And even as late as 10 and 11 o'clock tonight, new computer data, new computer data comes in, and maybe we'll have to refine or tweak some of those accumulation numbers. But that's what we're going with right now for late tonight and early tomorrow morning. That's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.